Hello everyone, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Biryani is bliss. There are so many versions of it out there and we love every single one of it. The aromatic spice blend, hot, spicy, fluffy grains of rice, the spicy explosion of flavors in our mouth with the very first bite. My mouth is watering. Sure to awaken our senses, lift our spirits and cheer us up. A bit too much, I guess. Anyways, with this hope, I have brought to you a simple chicken biryani recipe that's inspired from the famous Kolkata Chicken Biryani, and I think you might enjoy it. So let's get started. Let's make the fried onions first. Heat some oil in a pan and add the sliced onions to it. Add some salt to fasten the process. Now all we have to do is to keep stirring this often on moderate to high flame and wait for the onions to turn brown. Once the onions begin to brown, they'll turn black in no time. So keep an eye and quickly strain them onto a plate once they are done. Now let's make the gravy. In the same pan, add and heat some more oil if required. You can also add ghee if you want to. Add the whole spices and saute until fragrant. Now add the diced potatoes and fry them until golden. When the potatoes are fried golden, add the ginger garlic paste and saute for a few seconds. Next, add the spice powders, chili powder, garam masala and biryani masala. Stir this on a slow flame for a few seconds. Make sure you don't burn them. Here I have some whisked curd. Switch off the flame and add it to the masala. Give it a mix and switch the flame back on and cook the masala for a few minutes. Do not worry if the masala looks split. It'll settle down eventually. Now add the chicken pieces and fry it in the masala until the oil starts to separate for about 5 minutes. Next, add 3/4 of the brown onions and salt to taste and give this a mix. Add a cup of water, stir it, cover with the lid and cook it on a low flame until the chicken is cooked and tender. In the meantime, let's make the rice. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add the whole spices. Add the washed and soaked rice along with salt to taste and a dollop of ghee. Cook the rice until it's 75% done. The rice is ready. Strain it and spread it out on a plate. Let's check on the chicken. The chicken is cooked and the gravy has nicely thickened. It's time to start layering. Switch off the flame and gently spread the rice over the chicken gravy. Do not press the rice. Sprinkle the rest of the brown onions and the chopped fresh coriander leaves. Top with generous dollops of ghee. Cover with the lid and put this back on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes and then put a tawa below and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Switch off the flame and let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes before opening the lid. Our beautiful chicken biryani is ready. Spicy, fluffy, fragrant and yummy. Serve and enjoy hot. Do give this a try and let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.